Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 139 in IQDungeon. So to do this, first you need to take the candler and melt the candle right here. Use it as a key for the drawer. Now take the picture and remember the pattern but backwards. So it's the two things, the triangle and the circle. This, and this. And we have it opened, and now we can use that on our princess. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.